I've got a pretty cool unboxing today. I've got a watch from Mr. Jones Watches from London. It's a small micro watch company. They make automatic watches, very cool designs. And I got a Clockwork Synergy strap. I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I don't like using the same straps that they give you. I'm not really into leather. I bought a cool NATO strap. I'll show you in a second. A little trusty Infinity OTF. Alright, let's see. This watch. I got it from watches.com. It was a $230 from watches.com. I was originally going to get it was a Black Friday sale. I was originally going to get a Movado or a Tissot from Joma Shop. But I saw some videos on this and I saw a couple images of their watches and this was just so sweet. I had to. This one's called the Last Laugh Tattoo. They got one that's all black. All white. And then the back is very cool. The back looks like an old newspaper or a medical journal. It tells you the type of watch it is. Good horologist, and actually that's the back of the watch right there. They have limited edition ones. I believe they're XL size or something like that, but those usually have a window in it. But all the regular versions will have the name of the watch. Like this one's called the Last Laugh, and the name of the guy who designed it is not on it. Apparently they do that though. It usually has a name on the back. Well, let's just hurry up and get to the unboxing now. Mr. Jones Watches. I believe this is a tattoo edition, so this is a pamphlet. Here it is. This is so cool. It has a window in it where the teeth are, and when the time changes, the teeth have numbers in them. Some basic information about the watch. Here you can see there's a white version and then a tattoo version. I bought the tattoo version. It's a black case. This is a silver case. I have a lot of silver watches. I literally have automatic watches laying around everywhere in silver, so I just wanted to try something different. This is actually a special edition. The name of the artist is Adrian Willard. Cool. Setting it should be pretty simple as well if you know how to use any automatic watch. So the crown is actually on the left side. This looks like a crown, but it's not. It's a fake crown. Trying to get this lighting. I got this TV on. Turn this TV on. Maybe this reflection will go away. Yeah, and it totally did too. But yeah, you could see slightly that there's the teeth have time in it. Very cute watch. And I guess I'll go ahead and get to the unboxing for the watch strap, which is a simple ass NATO. This is actually my second Clockwork Synergy watch strap. So this is a 18 millimeter. The watch strap on this Mr. Jones is obviously 18 millimeter, but it's, I don't know if you could tell, but he's got a little a gold cross and gold teeth. Teeth that you can't see. That's part of the dial. It actually shows. It doesn't have hands. The teeth will rotate, and that's actually what time it is. The top row of teeth will show the hour, and the bottom row of teeth will show the minutes. But I can't get a good enough image of it to show you. But I basically bought a black and gold NATO strap for it. So I'm going to put it together, and let's see how it looks. Give me a few seconds. All right. I had to take this to an actual watch guy to take this band off. Let's see, we can see it a little better now that there's light. New band, old band. Hello.